Hi, this is another video of ID with div. You know that I have already discussed what is div. Div is a container of something where we can put all selectors in div and manage that according to our needs. And one property is applied onto a div, and that property apply on all of the selectors into div body, like P is paragraph, H2 is heading. Okay, how to apply this? For example, here is style is an example in here, and this example is what? Internal style. We have already discussed what is internal in first lecture, and this is called internal style. See div with ID, how to do that into practical. Open Sublime and save it. Press Ctrl S. Now get div with ID .html. Okay, now click here to save it. Okay, ID with div. Press Ctrl S to save it. See how to do in practical. You will see here div space ID is equals to what? Example ID. Okay, div is what? That is a selector. Which type of selector? That is a container. Like you can contain and put here paragraph P and H2 selector heading into body section and give any name, example ID, any name, like here. Div space ID. Okay, and give any name. For example, I want to give it example div. That is the name of the ID. Like here, this is the name of the example ID. And you must close this. Okay, press /. Where is into div body, where we can contain and put all selectors, and that function apply onto all div body. Okay, like we want to apply here paragraph. This is ID with div. And this is another example of H2 heading. this is heading 2, and now you can also put here something like page 3 heading. Okay, and this is heading 3. Press Ctrl S. Now I want to see it, the name of the file dividing. Here is dividing. Press enter. Okay, this is the normal text display. Now I want to insert or apply which function? Internal style. Internal style, here is add section of body. Add section, style, and then close it. Okay, press Ctrl S to save it. Now how to do and how to apply? First start with hash. Hash is always, ID is always start with hash symbol. Div, okay, the name of the class. This is the class. Now how to do something? Put function some here, like here, as you see here, hash example ID, and give any name, no problem, and start braces. This is called braces declaration block. Okay, when into declaration block, color is red. Okay, and semicolon outside of them. Okay, how to do this? Like here. Okay, declaration block. Okay, into declaration block I want to start in color function, that is what? Red. Okay, now semicolon, press Ctrl S and see onto a website, all of the red. Okay, one property, and apply all of selectors and paragraphs. Why? Because the all selectors and paragraphs into div body. Div is a container to contain all selectors, and only one function apply, automatically it apply all of the div body. Okay, one another thing, it also saves our time, and it also to make easy in CSS, to make projects easy into CSS. Okay, only one function apply to all. Otherwise, without div, you can apply separate. You can see in previous example, you can apply separate functions. Now apply all of these, like here. Okay, here is an error in the presentation. Okay, remove this error and semicolon here. This is the other example of ID with div. Okay, this is the whole of the code. You must understand the concept of CSS. Any program with div, selectors, ID, okay, code is available all anywhere on to the Google, internet, okay, but you must clear concept, then you can develop a advanced level website. How to design that website, how to make a website. Okay, these are the basic concepts of CSS. And and you can see here is the code. I'll manage this. Okay, this is the all of the code. This is the style function. Okay, here is the style function, and do all of the body, and this is the body function. Okay, see this and do into practical. If any problem, comments below description of the video. Thanks.